The angle is always labeled in capital letter, and the side is always labeled in lowercase letter. So little a, little b, little c. Angle, capital letter, side, lowercase letter. Okay. And then fill in the blank, so that's 30 degrees. Side B right there, that's 5 centimeters. Angle C is 60 degrees. Okay, so again, this is not an accurate diagram, but it's a way to label, make it easier for you to reference when you draw it. Okay, so then next then you draw the side. So next draw side B. Draw side B, which is 5 centimeters. Okay, so do so. So use your, well, first we need to mark off a vertex. So that's right there. And draw from there 5 centimeters.
Can you move it up a little bit?
Yeah, just a minute. Right there. No. Yeah, be as accurate as you can because you get doctor, your graph's not accurate. Let me try a different one. Okay. Now, of course, use pencil because otherwise it gets confusing when you make an error. Okay, so 1, 2, 5. Okay, and then connect the two dots, so that gives you your 5 centimeters side. Yeah, side B, which is 5 centimeters. Okay, so this side B equal 5 centimeters. So this is the angle A, and that's angle C. Okay, so the next is draw angle A, which is 30 degrees. Draw angle A, 30 degrees. Okay, so there you go. So this is what we did earlier. So angle A, 30 degrees, right there. Okay, so any question on angle A, 30 degrees? Are we done with that part? First, draw the side, and you just do your mark it off, right? So the eye hole will go right through the vertex, and dot the 30 degree right there, and then draw a line segment. So this is 30 degrees. Okay. Where's your side? So just draw a side, draw a horizontal side. Yeah. So first you just mark the vertex. So dot it, make a dot. Dot it, make a dot. Dot it, place a dot. Okay, all right. Now you use your angle to measure that. So line up to 5 centimeters. And connect the dots. I'll give you your size 5 centimeters. Measure. All right, so then once you got your side 5 centimeters drawn, then do the same thing for the other angle C, which is 6 centimeters. For the angle C, since the angle is measured this way, you have to use the other side versus, to go from left to right versus right to left. So 60 degrees is right there. Okay, so then you mark it off and you connect the dots. Okay, so this angle there is 60 degrees. We all done? All right, so next question is, how big is the B? So how big is then, so draw angle A, and then after you draw angle A, then you draw angle B, angle C, 60 degrees, using the right left side mark for angle. So left to right. Okay, any question on that one? Okay, you done with this one? All right, so next then we're gonna do number 2. Okay, so we not do the problem, we just do the drawing. Okay, so this is geometry number 2 drawing. Okay, let's see. Geo number 2 drawing only. Okay, it's not the algebra, it's just a drawing. So again, you have to go and practice to be sure you get it back. All right, so let's read number 2 again. We'll just do the drawing. So here, because the algebra can be done later. So read the question. Number 2 says, in a 45 degree, 90 degree triangle, one of the leg is 5 centimeters. Find the length of the other leg, the hypotenuse, the perimeter, and the area of the triangle. So use graph paper, a protractor, and ruler to draw this triangle. Okay. So again, this is my notes, not what you do, but all right, so first you have a 45 degree, 90 degree angle. So there it is. Okay, so this angle there is 90 degree. And these two angles here are 45 and 45. Okay, so this is a right triangle. Okay, so the longest leg is hypotenuse. Okay, so hypotenuse is opposite the 90 degrees angle. So opposite 90 degree angle is the hypotenuse. And the other two sides are legs. So this is a leg, and so that's also a leg. So this this terminology applies only to right triangle. Okay, so the 90 degree angle is always marked C. Okay. So C is almost used to indicate the right angle all the time. And so the opposite side is a little c. All right, so here it says, so step 1, draw your diagram, and then you it accurately afterwards. Okay, so 45, 45, 90, 45, 45, 90, and one of the leg is 5 centimeters. Okay. All right, so next question is, what's the easiest way to draw this triangle? Plan the drawing. Okay, so first, what can you do? Well, first you draw a side. So draw a leg 5 centimeters. Right, and then next is to draw a 90-degree angle. Draw 90-degree angle at the left end. And then from the left end, measure 5 centimeters. Measure a leg 5 centimeters for the leg. And then D, connect the endpoints. Okay, so any question how to do that one? Okay, so you understand the steps? All right, so let's carry it out. All right, so first you draw a leg, which is 5 centimeters. So you need to mark a vertex, that's A right there, and draw 5 centimeters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters. Okay, so that's 5 centimeters. Okay, we're done with that part? Okay, and then from there you draw a 90-degree angle. So from the left side you draw a 98-degree angle. Okay, so there you go. So in this case, okay, so mark it off right there. So again, be sure the eyes go through the endpoint and mark off 90 degree right there. That's right. The end point has to be in the hole. Well, the other side has to lie along the edge. You know, the side of the side of the triangle has to go coincide with the other edge, and then you connect the dots.
At 5 centimeters.
We just draw the edge first and we measure later. Okay, so this is to be sure you got a 90-degree angle. Okay, so then this is the draw 90-degree angle. So draw a leg, draw the angle, and then you measure off 5 centimeters. Okay, so after you finish the angle, then you measure off 5 centimeters. Okay, so that's 5 centimeters. And then you connect the dots to give you your 90, 45, 45, and 90-degree triangle. Okay, so then this is 5 centimeters. That is 45. That is 45 degrees. Okay, so this is drawing for number 2.
Which side is A?
We don't know yet. We just we know that it has a leg which is 5 centimeters. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Any question on number 2? All right. So then you're supposed to do number 3. Okay. So you want me to give you some time to do number 3 by yourself?
Number 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then then you can show to other people how you do number 3. All right. So number 3 is 45, 45, and 90, and the hypotenuse is 8 centimeters. Okay. So number 3. 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree. Hypotenuse is 8 centimeters. Okay, so we don't know what the length is. So this is the number 1 diagram. So your diagram is this. Okay, so that's 8 centimeters. 45, 45, and right angle. Okay, so draw a diagram first, then you can plan the drawing. Okay, so the hypotenuse.
Just here.
I can't hear you.
Can I show you mine? I want to make sure that I have all the information.
All right, so let's see. Okay, we have done the algebra, we'll just do the drawing. Okay, 8 centimeters. Let's see. Looks pretty good, yeah. Looks like, well. That's a little bit long. So according to the way, it's like 8.2 centimeters. So you need to
Okay.
make it shorter.
Okay.
So I have to be within 1 centimeter, 1 millimeter. All right, so the plan here is then 1, you draw, so the plan is, you draw the side. So which side? Draw the hypotenuse,
8 centimeters.
8 centimeters. Okay, so that's easy, right? So then after you draw the hypotenuse, then you draw 45-degree angle at the left end point and 45-degree angle at the right end point. And they should meet to give you the triangle
45 degrees.
on both sides, both ends. Okay, so I'll do it, then I'll check it, see if you do it correctly.